Hello my dear friends. Today I'm going to explain you what are exoplanets, what are the four types of exoplanets, what is the habitable zone and what are the five ways in which you can detect exoplanets. I'm going to present a PowerPoint presentation to help you understand all of this. So first we are going to see that what are exoplanets. Exoplanets are just normal planets, but they are not orbiting our sun. They are orbiting a different star. Every star which is in the stage in which our sun is should have at least one exoplanet orbiting around it. So now let's see what are the four types of exoplanets: super Earths, terrestrial exoplanets, ice giant exoplanets, and gas giant exoplanets. Of terrestrial exoplanets, the examples are Mercury and Mars. Of ice giant exoplanets, Neptune and Uranus. Of gas giant exoplanets, Saturn and Jupiter. So now let's see what are the five ways the exoplanets can be found. So the first one is radial velocity. The second is transit. The third is astrometry. Fourth is using gravity and light. And fifth is taking photos by huge telescopes. Now in this video, I'm only going to explain to you about three ways. So the first one is radial velocity. So what is radial velocity? The important thing that you should know is that when an exoplanet is orbiting around a star, that star starts to moving around itself in circles. So due to this, different light rays are created and emitted by that star. So when an astronomer sees those light rays, he can find out that there is an exoplanet orbiting that star. So the next method is transit. The transit is exactly like a solar eclipse. The planet comes between the observer and the star. So what happens that the observer sees a black hole or a black disk in the disk of that star. So this is the method of transit. Most of the exoplanets are found by this method. The third method is astrometry. So when we observe the star with naked eye, we can also find out the distances between the nearby star and that star. So by this, we can find out that an exoplanet is rotating around itself. So this is also an important method used in finding exoplanets. So the next important concept we are going to talk about is the habitable region in a star system. Why are astronomers finding out so many exoplanets? Why are they continuing their search? So the only reason for this is that astronomers want to find out a planet which is exactly like the Earth, is having perfect heat and light, and life exists on that planet, so that we can one day go on that planet. So if we see in this picture that this planet is too close to this sun, so heat and light here are in excess. So that's why life cannot be supported in this planet. And this planet is very far away from the star. So the temperature is very less and heat and light cannot travel that far to that planet. But this, if we see this green ring here, this is known as the habitable zone. The habitable zone is the zone in which the planet gets correct light, correct heat, and can support life. So the next important concept we are going to talk about is the magnetosphere of that planet. So what is magnetosphere? The magnetosphere is the magnetic field of that exoplanet. So if a star creates a solar storm, the solar storm can destroy the life on the planet and the atmosphere can be flown away into space. But when a magnetosphere is there, the magnetosphere protects the atmosphere, and due to this, life is also protected. I hope you understood all of this, and thanks for watching.